Welcome to Farrell Equipment.
My name is Liz Gonering. I'm with Milwaukee Tool, and we are here at the Farrell Equipment Tool Show in Rochester, Minnesota. Today we're going to be highlighting on Milwaukee's latest innovation in cordless technology, which is our 12 amp hour battery line on our 18-volt platform. This battery produces 50% more power, runs 50% cooler, and will work up to -20-degree weather. It is designed specifically for our new cordless chainsaw, 7 9-inch grinder, super sawzall, 7 1/4 circ saw, along with our 8 1/4 one-key capable table saw. The battery is designed to produce 15 amp corded power while also being capable on any of our 150 plus tools in the Milwaukee system. You can purchase this line along with any of our Milwaukee solutions here at Farrell Equipment.